Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be making soap. This time around we'll be making swirl soap. And what's swirl soap? Swirl soap are soap that are colorful. They are made with different colors. Can be 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, and those colors are combined in a way that it makes the soap come out looking very beautiful and very nice. So right now I'm dissolving my lye. When making soap, make sure you put on your safety gadgets such as hand gloves and eye goggle, because if soda should splash on you or get into your eye, it can be very dangerous. So you need to make sure you have protected yourself very well. Water and lye or soda is an exothermic reaction. It releases heat. So after 24 hours, the soap is now ready to be taken out of the mold. Soap is hard enough now, you can get it out of your mold, but you have to be careful so you won't spoil the shape of your soap. Make sure that the mold has released first from the soap before you take the soap out of the mold, so that you will still have a nice shape. Careful until you get it. Yes, it's out now. Wow, you can see the soap. It's looking very beautiful. So what I'll do is I'll use my hand and take off the excess soap out. Try to look smooth. Take off those excesses out. You can see it. This after 24 hours, the soap comes out like this. Now it's time to cut it with a soap cutter. That cutter has a zigzag shape, so which will give my soap another appealing look. See that, and you see what will happen to that soap. See the sides taking the shape of the cutter. Wow, this is nice. So when I'm done, I'll keep this soap for at least 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Within that period, the soap will be curing. So you're going through a curing process. It's not always nice to use soap immediately after production. It's best you keep it for 3 to 4 weeks. During that process of curing, any leftover lye or caustic soda and leftover oil that are in that soap, during that process of curing, the leftovers of your caustic soda and your oil will still be going through a chemical reaction and be turning to soap. At this point, there's still some caustic soda or lye and excess oil in this soap, so I will leave it to cure. Remember what I said, during the process of curing, every excess lye or caustic soda and oil will still be going through a chemical reaction till everything has been turned into soap. And that, at that period, you don't have any lye or oil left again. So that is when it has fully turned to a soap. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.